on bouncing. There you go. So the idea is just to get a chainsaw and just start going at it. Damn, watch out! Here we go. Got to demo this deck out, so not too bad. Some guys will use equipment on stuff like this. I personally don't, because look at the back here. You got a pond. You know the water table's pretty high back here, so you're gonna, even if you got a track machine, you're gonna tear up some stuff. So we just do it by hand, because we don't want to have to fix that at the end of the job. Justin wants to keep some for steaks for sure, because he does side jobs and stuff, and you know what I always suggested when you start your first company, you should use wooden stakes, because metal stakes are expensive. Yeah, they're better, but wooden stakes have their place. Don't get me wrong. Damn Husqvarna. Fire, baby. She's about to fire up this time. Ain't been ran in a while. Damn. That's bullshit. Watch that gate, that wind. Go ahead. Go. Oh my goodness, that's heavy. That piece was heavy. Homeowner just left. He came over. He wanted to, I don't know, I guess check it out just to make sure we were going good. He said, there's a box out there that's got more bits in it. But yeah, he said, damn, you guys carried some of those big ass pieces out by yourself, by hand? I said, yeah. He said, you guys work hard. I said, I know. It's the only way I know how to work. Got it? Alright, so we got it all out of here. Next thing we gotta do is take the boards off on the end and get the rest of that right there and the post out. And then it's off to the landfill. Old Hendricks County Waste Management landfill. Old grub mud demolition today.
Yeah.
Yeah. There it is. Hello? What's up, man? Hold on. What are you doing?
Working.
Yeah, we seen you. Hey, I messaged you last night. Did you get my Facebook message last night?
What's up?
I need your help on a video I'm gonna do, and I'll pay you a little bit for it. Will you help me do it?
Yeah, what you need me to do?
I'll talk cock
and eat a bug.
My dad said suck cock and eat a bug. Oh yeah.
What's the grub crew up to nowadays?
We're grub mud demo today. We just tore out a damn deck, but it's part of a concrete job, and gave the dude a sweet deal, and it just adds to the top end. Yeah. You know? What do you want? What are you doing at the fucking police station?
Fucking just
let me guess, you're telling on Drew.
No, I ain't telling.
Peanut butter and telly.
I'm not in there fucking working.
Oh, you're working there. Yeah, that's what I would have said. $97 to dump this. That ain't too bad. The old Mount Trashmore. A lot of trash out here.
Oh, out here at the landfill. Stinking. Ugh.
That's how we load our equipment. Perfect. Bang. Yeah, we used to do it like you would load a mini excavator, and that shit was just too fucking dangerous. Somebody's gonna get hurt without ramps. What's up, guys? We're back on site. We're gonna be yanking this post out and using the backhoe to do so. So you see how we do that and how versatile this machine is. Not a lot of guys are gonna use a Kubota tractor, backhoe, whatever, for concrete, but hey, we do. I mean, a lot of people use bigger backhoes for commercial concrete, and we just do the same thing with a smaller machine. Plus, we had this before we started doing concrete, so why not? Yeah, you got it. Damn, son! So we're about to do the next post. We got about half the throttle. You put your outriggers down. It'll be alright. Yeah, he'll be alright. Whoa! Well, we'll be alright. Damn, got that one out. That son of a bitch is in there. Yeah, you're gonna get it though. Woohoo! Hee-rah! Hee-rah! Here they go. Here they go. Here they go. Whoa-dee. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Guess I better hold this side. Yep. That's why you do that. Over here, whoa-dee. Woo! Just one more. Last one. See if it works. Woo! Don't trip in that hole. Watch out! Wowzer! Did that hit you? Watch out! So when you got a machine like this, you just want to go one time in and one time out. That's it. I want to make a bunch of tracks back and forth, so watch how we do this. That thing's full, but we can get more on it. Getting there done. The backhoe's pretty precise. We like it. Dig by hand up against the wall, up against the existing. That way you don't hit nothing. And then, like I said, one time in, one time out with the backhoe. So maybe two actually, but not very many. One trip in, one trip out. It's the best thing to do. I mean, we got a full bucket, but man, try not to mess up these people's yards. We're gonna take a rake and kind of rake it back out and step on it. Some spots that was soft right there. Things work pretty good. Alright, there you go. All we got to do is dig that out right here. We're going to dig down anyway, so it won't matter if I get so there you go. Appreciate you guys riding around with me today, and I hope you guys like this new style. If it's alright with you guys, I'm going to do it every once in a while. Still produce the other type of content too, definitely. But It's been kind of fun editing. One last thing I wanted to talk about is these little cut ruts. You take a break and rake them out. Try to leave the job site clean.